Okay, right now we're going to go through just 4 problems that are on your homework assignment, just as a quick review. And so this is assignment number 49. It's assigned Tuesday due Thursday. Okay, so first of all, number 5 on the left column, I have 3k to the third times 4k times 3k to the third. So the first thing is I'm going to multiply the 3 numbers together. So 3 times 4 is 12 times 3 is 36. And then I have k to the third times k to the third. So one of the things that happens often, sometimes you might want to write a little 1 up there when you don't see an exponent, because when you don't see the exponent, often it gets left, you forget about that power. So I always put the invisible 1. So we're going to say that is k to the 3 plus 1 plus 3. So that's going to be k to the 7th power. So 36k to the 7th power. Okay, on the second page, we've got number 15, which is 5xy to the 5th times 3x to the 5th y to the 4th times x to the negative 4th. So we've got a negative exponent in there, y to the 3rd. So the first thing is to collect the numbers, and I've got 5 times 3, there's a 1 here. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then I'm going to have x to the, and I'm going to put my invisible 1 in, x to the 1 plus 5 on the x to the 5th there, minus 4. Okay, so I'm adding up the exponents, 1 and a 5 and a negative 4 for the x. And then y to the 5 5th plus 4 plus 3. So 15, x to the 1 plus 5 is 6, minus 4 is 2. So x to the 2nd power, and y to the 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 3 is 12. Okay, you don't have to write these out like I did here. I'm just doing it so that you can see what I'm doing. If you can add those accurately in your head, it's not a problem. Okay, number 17. Now we're raising a power to a power. We have this whole thing being raised to the 4th power. So you have to understand there are 3 bases that are being raised to the 4th power. There's the 4, there's the x, and there's the y. So what we're going to have here is 4 raised to the 4th power times the x raised to the 4th power times the y to the 4th raised to the 4th power. And so that gets multiplied. I multiply that 4th power to the 4th power and multiply those together. So I've got 4 to the 4th power. 4 squared is 16. 16 times 16 is 256. X to the 4th, y to the 4 times 4, or 16th power. Okay, number 19. I've got 3 bases again inside for the x and the y, and I've got a negative exponent out here, a negative 2. So first I'm going to raise the 4 to the negative 2. Then I'm going to raise the x to the 3rd to the negative 2. Then I'm going to raise the y to the negative 3rd to the negative 2. So raising the power to the power, I'm going to multiply those exponents together. 4 to the negative 2 says the reciprocal. That's what this means, the reciprocal of 4 squared. So that's going to be 1 over 4 squared times, and this is x to the 3 times negative 2, so x to the negative 6th, which is 1 over x to the 6th times, and this is y to the negative 3 times negative 2, which is a positive 6. So this is just a y to the 6th. So collecting these all together in one fraction, I have a 16 in the denominator for the 4 squared. I have an x to the 6th in the denominator for the second term, and I have a y to the 6th in the numerator. So y to the 6th over 16x to the 6th. And I think that's it for today. So go ahead and finish this whole assignment, show any work that you need to show. Check your answers, ask questions when I see you on Thursday, and have a great day. Bye.